Okay, welcome back guys. So we have another question in today's video where we have minus 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 and we have to solve this equation for x. So looking at the equation, we'll see that we have x in the exponent. One common way to go with this kind of question, as we discussed in the channel, we're going to go with the logarithm on each side of the equation, and from the laws of the logarithm we know when we have log of a to the b, this b logs to go in the back of the log, so we'll have b times log of a. So we're going to use that in here. So we have log of minus 5 to the x is equal to log of 5, so the x can go in the back, and we end up with x times log of minus 5 is equal to log of 5. And looking at this, I'm sure you guys noticed that we have the logarithm of minus 5, and if we get back to the definition of the log, when we have our function y is equal to log of x, we know in real numbers for x we have a limitation, and the domain of the logarithm is when we have our x greater than 0. And what we can see in here, we have the log of minus 5, which means in real numbers we cannot find any answers. So we have to look for the complex answers in this question, since we have minus 5 and minus 5 is definitely less than 0. So what we're going to do, we're going to use our imaginary number, and instead of minus 1 we're going to write down our I squared, which will be minus 1, and here we will have x times log of 5 times I squared is equal to log of 5. So looking at this, we know that from the laws of the logarithm, when we have log of a over b, this will be equal to log of a minus log of b, and log of 5 is one of those logarithms that can be written as log of 10 over 2. So basically it can be written as log of 10 minus log of 2. And we know log of 10 is 1. So basically our log of 5 can be written as 1 minus log of 2. Also, another laws of the log, so that was for the division. We have the same thing for multiplication with a slight difference. So when we have log of a times b, this will be equal to log of a plus log of b. So for the division we have a negative sign, for multiplication we have positive sign. So let's just plug all of these in here. So we have x times log of, we have a times b, so we're gonna write it down as log of 5 plus log of I squared, and right side we have log of 5. And as I said, we can do something for log of 5, and that would be 1 minus log of 2 plus, here we have a to the b. As I mentioned, b logs to go in the back, so we have 2 log of I, and here we have log of 5, same thing. Could use what we have in here again, 1 minus log of 2. So all we need to do in here is just to divide each side of the equation by this part. So 1 minus, we're going to divide it by 1 minus log of 2 plus 2 log of I. So if we do that, we'll have x alone on the left side of the equation, and on the right side we have 1 minus log of 2 over 1 minus log of 2 plus 2 log of I, and this would be the final answer for this question. So yeah, we have to be mindful of the domain of the logarithm, and when we have a negative value in front of the logarithm, we have to go with the complex answers, and that's how we started going with the imaginary number, and we'll end up with this. So let me know if you guys have any other answers for this, any other solution to solve this one. Please drop it in the comment that everybody can benefit from the answer, and you guys take care. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.